Yo guys, and welcome back towards this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing Bitcoin, Ethereum and a very special altcoin, so make sure to check this video till the end and let's jump right away in towards the content. So right now we can see that Bitcoin came down like we predicted from yesterday. In yesterday's morning's update video we were saying to you guys out there that Bitcoin was clearly losing some strength here and that it was likely to see the market coming down further from that point here. So far, like you can see on this market, we did indeed saw a decreasement in price action further on here, and as well we have been seeing, of course, these targets that I've been talking about getting reached on the market. So in today's video I'll give you guys some new new examples about where I do think the market is heading towards. So if you're interested in that, don't forget to right away slap up that like button, and of course right now let's go in towards my market prediction. So we can see Bitcoin came down massively and formed some kind of a downtrend on the 1 hour time frame, since we were forming a less exponential high on the market, and while we were doing so we were forming a huge momentum divergence. Like you can see, we lost a major amount of strength on the market while the price action was forming higher highs. That's exactly what you do not want to be seeing here actually, and from off that point we've been basically forming lower highs and lower lows. But of course that is on the 1 hour trend, because if we're going to look at the 4 hour trend, you can clearly see that on the bigger scale we have been starting that uptrend. We have been forming a higher low together with higher highs. So actually right now we're still in a very significant uptrend. Please remember that on the 4 hourly time frame we're still in an uptrend. So as long as we're in an uptrend, I'm going to look for a long position entry rather than a short position entry. So right now I'm exactly looking for that long position entry, and I am looking to enter my long position somewhere around the level that we're right now trading on. Why? Is because right now we're trading on key support ranges. Of course, like you can see on the left side of the screen, this is previous resistance over here, previous support, and I personally expect this level is going to be provide once again support and move this market a little bit back towards the upside. As well, besides of that, like you can see, it's volume support and horizontal support, because on the right side of the chart here, you can see how much volume is basically getting traded on each single level. And what you can see right here is that the level that we're currently trading on is one of the most important volume ranges to hold on towards, because if we do fail to hold on towards this 41.3k, 41.2k level, and we're going to fall below it, we're going to fall in these lower ranges of almost no volume, of course, what will be resulting in an absolutely free fall towards the downside, towards levels around to $39,000. So actually we're trading on a very important level, and actually it makes a lot of sense to see a bounce from of this volume / horizontal support range here. So that's the reason why I did open a minor long position on Bitcoin, and I of course also added a little bit more towards my Ethereum positions to trade the market towards the upside. If you're interested in trading as well, guys, make sure to check the link in the description, because there you can find Bybit, and Bybit will be offering you a $4,100 deposit bonus to trade the market as well. But this is, in my opinion, a very perfect level to be expecting a bounce from off. If we're going to look at the 12-hour time frame, and as well comes together with that time frame here actually. We do know we got rejected by the top side of the W structure. Like you can see here, several times we got a major rejection from of this range here. And right now on the lower side over here, we've been right now, of course, seen several times support. And right now I personally think it is going to be likely to see once again another supportive touch from of this range. If we do break it, of course, we're definitely going to look for lower targets around to 39.5k. But that's of course not necessarily a thing that I'm right away anticipating. So Bitcoin right now in the imminent short term actually looks quite strong, if you would ask me. Then let's go in towards some news articles. And of course what we can see right now is that Luna is flipping Ethereum in terms of its staking value. Of course we do know that Terra Luna has been absolutely exploding in the past weeks here. Exactly last 7 days it has been up 37%, and compared to Bitcoin, Ethereum and all other cryptocurrencies, it has been absolutely exploding towards the upside. But currently data is showing us that there are more than 200,026 stakers currently accounting for more than $29.5 billion worth of lock value up on the Luna / Terra network. What is of course absolutely crazy. Like you can see here, Solana is currently the biggest network with the most amount of value getting staked here, approximately 35 billion US dollars, and Ethereum currently only has 26 billion US dollars getting staked here. What is of course absolutely crazy what we can see over there. Of course, Solana has an approximately rate of 74% getting locked here, and Ethereum only 8%. But that's of course as well because Ethereum proof of stake is not out yet here, but of course we've got the ability to already stake our Ethereum. So I personally think as soon as the proof of stake comes out here, that Ethereum is going to become number 2 or number 1 again very quickly. So that's pretty interesting. Luna is definitely taking over Ethereum right now here, and is becoming the largest network in terms of the second largest network in terms of the value getting staked here. So that's pretty interesting to see. Then going over the funding rates in the market, we do see the market has been coming down on the recent hours, and since the market has been coming down a little bit here, we can see some exchanges are turning negative again here. Some exchanges have got some more bearish traders, resulting in some negative funding rates, but overall we are seeing neutral funding rates. I mainly look always at Binance and Bybit because the majority of the traders are coming from Binance and Bybit. So since these are still neutral, I will be still as well be pretty neutral on Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, on altcoins, we can still see they're pretty over leveraged towards the downside, so that is making me indeed a little bit more bullish on altcoins right now here in terms of creating a short squeeze on them. So that is pretty important to recognize here. So then as well, going over a coin, Casta, probably you know already about it. It has been absolutely exploding towards the upside. It has been moving up more than 40% in the past literally 24 hours, and that's absolutely crazy. And of course, we've been seeing a massive rally towards the upside. And maybe you're right now asking me, why is Casta moving up so quickly? Now, I can already explain it to you guys out there why it is moving up so quickly, because Casta just officially closed their beta. The closed beta is officially released for the Casta app here. So right now we've been still waiting for the token utility of Casta, and right now finally we've got the closed beta where we can of course get the app out of the app store and of course use it to try and see if there are any bugs in it, to see if we could get some improvements so it can get released anytime soon here so everyone can use it. And I'm very happy because I've got the app here to use it to find if there are any bugs on it, and I can use Casta to send it towards my friends if we're going to, let's say, go towards a club or something, and I can send my money towards my friends using crypto, using the Casta app here. So I'm very happy I am able to use the closed beta. And for everyone out there, you will be getting access as well as soon as the app publicly goes live here. So make sure to subscribe to the channel so you will be not miss any information out of it. But personally, I think that Casta is right now exploding because people are getting hyped up here. They're seeing the app is coming closer and closer towards the launch here. And that is making myself actually as well pretty excited because I FOMO'd into Casta as well here on the recent days here. Because yeah, I've been anticipating the app launch here in Q2 of 2022 here. So I've been already scooping up more and more Casta because personally what I think here is that this price action is absolutely going will be going parabolic as soon as the application goes live here, because then the token utility will shoot up here, and personally I expect that will be bringing a lot of positive sides towards the network. So yeah, very excited to see that. As well, quick update on my Ethereum trade here. Still more than 11,000 US dollars in profit here. Still on Ethereum as well, forming higher lows on the 1 hour time frame, looking pretty decent if you would ask me here. Decent trade, of course, still saying it. I'm currently longing as well Bitcoin, so if you want to be opening any trades as well on Bybit, make sure to check out the link in the description. These are very valuable times to look at positions because the market is standing pretty low right here. And of course, if you want to be trading as well on Bybit, check out the link in the description because there you are getting offered more than 4,000 US dollars deposit bonus, plus of course a 30% fee off for a lifetime. So make sure to check it up and sign up your account through my link in the description. As well, currently on Ethereum, what are we seeing it? Because yeah, I have my Ethereum trade open still, but why am I keeping it open still? You can clearly see previous support and previous resistance is really the reason why I personally think Ethereum is going to be as well see a bounce here. We've been trading against a pretty crucial level, and we are currently trading on this pretty crucial support range. And like you can see, if we're going to zoom in a little bit here, the market has been holding up very strongly. And so far is seeing as well a little bit of a bounce towards the upside. But since, of course, getting a rejection from this range over here, where we already got rejected by several times in the past there, right now I want to be seeing a further increasement towards the upside because on the larger scale, we can clearly see higher low, higher low, and maybe my face is currently in front of it, so let me get to the right side of the screen here. But we can clearly see that we are forming a beautiful higher low structure, what is looking particularly strong for the Ethereum price action, if you would ask me here right now here. So on the 4-hourly time frame, we've been looking towards this downward sloping trend line here, basically the important trend line to witness on the Ethereum price section. Currently still not breaking above it, but what is most importantly, we are forming lower highs here together with higher lows on the market, basically showing us that we are in some kind of a consolidation phase here, and that the price action is really going to squeeze out towards one direction, and yeah, that is going to be probably create a lot of market volatility. So still, I think major market movements are still yet to come here for Ethereum. Of course, daily time frame really changed my view a little bit here, still in an consolidation pattern, waiting for a breakout. Of course, this is a bearish pattern in case because we did came down from the highs towards the lows here, consolidating and squeezing the price action in towards an apex. Usually it results in a continuation of the trend. Trend was towards the downside, continuation will be then as well towards the downside. Personally, I'm not expecting it because yeah, the market sentiment is not so bearish in my opinion right now here. The sell price is most likely all wiped out already, and if we could be getting this move towards the upside, yeah, we could be looking towards massive gains to be made here on this market. So it's actually, in my opinion, looking pretty strong right now here, and for you guys out there, still a good time for accumulating your Ethereum tokens right here. So I'm looking forward towards what we're going to get here, but Ethereum looks to be trading at a very good range here. However, guys, the video is already 11 minutes long here. Let me know if you do like these videos here, where I'm going a little bit more in depth about Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything, the whole package basically. And I will see you guys in the next one here on the channel. Peace out. Goodbye.